Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a smooth slow motion video in CapCut PC. So here I want to make this video into a smooth slow motion, and what you need to do is just click on the speed tab at the top, and then here you can just choose to slide the video to the left, the speed of the video to the left to make it slower like this. And then if you want to make it smooth, just click on this checkbox right here, and then here choose the optical flow to get a better quality. Okay, so now the smooth slow-mo has been applied, and when you play it, okay, you can see that it's become a smooth slow-mo video. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.